This is Menchi Katsu. Look at amazing. Let's try this. Okay, I'll show you ingredients. It's for flavor. Remove the air. It's golden color. Beautiful. Very delicious. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Menchi Katsu. What is Menchi Katsu? It's simply said minced cutlet. You can imagine that it's extra crunchy and inside more juicy of burger pate. This dish, Menchi Katsu, is one of the yōshoku Japanese food, which is Western style Japanese food. I don't see this dish Menchi Katsu in Japanese restaurant overseas. Normally we buy this Menchi Katsu in butcher in Japan or have to make it by yourself. Let's make outside crunchy, inside juicy Menchi Katsu. Let's get started! Yamato. Let's get started! Okay, I'll show you ingredients. This is pork mince, but you can use beef mince instead of pork. 10 grams of butter, onion, egg, panko bread crumbled, soy sauce, chicken stock, salt and pepper, and nutmeg. Okay, let's cook Menchi Katsu. Okay, at first cut onion. Okay, cutting like this and place into a bowl. Okay, after cutting onion, I put 300 grams of pork mince, whole egg, 10 grams of butter, nutmeg. This nutmeg can remove the bad smell of pork mince. Salt and pepper, salt, chicken stock. If you don't have, it's okay. Soy sauce, it's for flavor. About 1 or 2 tablespoons. And mix it. Mix well. Okay, mix well until this meat is more sticky. This is the point. So after mixing, this is little bit too soft. So I make it a bit harder by flour. Only little bit. Just make it hard. Otherwise, it's easy to break the shape. Okay, this is 300 grams of pork. Whatever you want, how big. But I make it 4. And remove the air inside. Otherwise, it's easy to break in the oil. This. Looking great. Like a burger pate. 2, 3, 4. Next. Okay, I made 4 pates and this is still too soft, so I put in the fridge maybe around 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Look at this, very easy. This just 10 seconds, fluffy, very thin slice cabbage is done. Okay, I prepare like this. This is pate, flour, egg, and crumbled bread panko. Okay, first I take it one. Be careful not break the shape, and the flour, both sides. It's not a lot, just covered, and extra flour is take it out. Next is eggs. Shake it, and next crumbled panko covers. Okay, all done like this. Prepare the oil. I put a little bit panko. It's small bubbles. It's good sign. I put gentle. Its ideal temperature is 170. Can you hear this sound? I love this oil sound. Outside, it's little bit good color. Okay, turn over. Be careful, easy to break. Awesome. Look at this color, sounds. I love that. This golden color, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna check how inside is cooked or not. In the middle here, and this color is clear color, and it means inside is already cooked, and this bubble is became big. So it's good sign, already cooked inside. Perfect inside, very juicy. Okay, let's make the plate. Cabbage and the Menchi Katsu, Japanese mayo. This is tonkatsu bulldog sauce. You can buy this one in Japanese grocery. And on top, this is Menchi Katsu. Look at amazing. Let's try this. Of course, today also rice. Good. Rice. I complete my lunch. Menchi Katsu set. Rice, Menchi Katsu with cabbage and leftover soup from morning. And today's tools new. Finally I can have my lunch. いただきます。Okay, today's beer is tools new. Open. Very hot today. Very delicious. Tastes very meat, but not the bad smell because of the nutmeg. It's absolutely delicious. I love this menu. I haven't tried Menchi Katsu maybe for a while. I think half a year. I think many Japanese who are in overseas missing this Menchi Katsu because it's difficult to see in Japanese restaurant. This is very local dish. I think you haven't heard this Menchi Katsu name, but this is very delicious. Please try and have a taste. Thanks for watching today. See you in another video. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。